Hi, this is Pandit Acharya Mithun Shastri of Goritara Bhairav. Today's topic is going to be interested here to all of my followers who are watching this video now, and whenever they click the button and see the video, it will be very great, it will be very interesting. Then appeared this video to that particular person whenever he clicks the button and see the or observe the video. Okay, so today's topic is for the financial crisis. You know that all the world is really who has lots of money, who has not lots of money, who has a little bit money for his survival. All the persons attached to the world are always seeking from morning to night for money, because money is honey, and you know that whenever one in one's life money appears into one's pocket, then and there his or her mind fulfilled with pleasure and joy or happiness. Because today's of late the society to lead a comfortable life and to get the peaceful life in or treat the peaceful way on the universe, money is required. Without money nothing can be purchased, nothing can be happy things can be purchased, because today's world is upgraded and all the items, whatever the items related to with the pleasures, to purchase all the items, money is required to earn those things. So in this connection, today I am going to share a Jibu symbol. You know that it is I am here going to share a topic, or whatever you may in the Indian term as a totka, and whatever in the Western term as a ritual or Jibu symbol. You know that Jibu symbol is the symbol by which in the Western countries part all the symbols are related to their great meaning or great significance. One in one's life, you know that Thailand, they also use tattoo into their body, upward body, and on the wrist, you know. So in this connection, I am here going to share a Jibu symbol to recover the monetary crisis and to recover the financial crisis. Okay, so I am going to share the picture enclosed with this video, and you have to see the picture, whatever I have, whatever the picture is attached to this video. This picture is the Jibu symbol, and it is the symbol for money. And if you want to fulfill your money desire, and you know that the main important today's of late world is money is required, because if someone has money huge in abundance, and to manifest the good life, to manifest the better life, money is required. So it is the Jibu symbol. You have to boost up this picture on the northern portion of your house, and with the fingers, with the index fingers, you have to draw the picture on the northern side of your house. Otherwise, on the locker where you have put and kept your money or jewelry, anything else related to the money, you have to draw the picture, the what is enclosed here with. If you have draw this picture, this is the Jibu symbol, and it enhances and it attracts the money. So without getting late, draw this picture on the northern portion of your house, or the placement you have to draw this picture with the green ink also, because there are so many items you can use to draw this picture, to use this picture, because Jibu symbol is the symbol, and there are so many procedures to use this symbol. So if you have the capacity, and if you have the power, and if you are capable for drawing the picture, you have to draw the picture on the northern portion of your house, or where you have kept the money. If you are not capable for drawing this picture, so in this case and in this term of that case, you have to print out the picture and paste it on the northern portion of your house, or the money where you have kept. Okay, so you have to this picture, you have to print out the picture and kept it in the kept it on the locker, on the economic side, or the bags also, and what the wallets you have used in daily life to surviving the daily life, day-to-day life. You have to keep into your money bag also, vanity bag also. Otherwise you have to boost up the picture on the northern portion, where you have kept the money, you can also paste this picture there. So today's is enough, and today's topic, you know that the version is completely English. So and it is the Jibu symbol. By using this symbol and having this symbol in your house, the abundance for money is will be considered. But great devotion and great respect towards the symbol should be required here. Okay, today is here. Now I am going to stop the video because I have already declared the rituals, and I have already declared the Jibu symbol significance, and how you will maintain this symbol, and how you will attach the symbol, and how you will use the symbol as a daily life. Okay, have a nice day everybody. Jai Ma.